Come test drive the 2017 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, audio, internet radio, AHA, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.